It's for you to sit here and enjoy the boundary of life. Do not act like you are running whole planet human being. Mean one who know people idea of education is information. We are mistaking information for intelligent mind of like could you can say. So your sense of happiness is only when everybody is doing worse than you. What kind of life is? Have you ever thought about how this universe functions? What is your role in this universe? Should we be spending time focusing on others? Well said. Guru has the answer to these questions. Let's listen to him. Do not act like you are running the whole planet of you are running the whole universe for that matter. You are not it happiness by itself. You are a teeny little creature who is here of little bit of time. Don't make the too much who's about it. To handle a few years of life, do not make such a big huge. If you sit here, this person is a pleasant experience for you. If you are pleasant experience for yourself, everybody else will also experience this person as a pleasant experience. What great thing you will do or not do, that is subject to various relativities. Nobody can fix in 100%. You must understand our action are largely determined by the times in which we exist. But you need to understand what we are doing, our action, and what we do and do not do. It is time in which we exist. It you are 5,000 years ago, you would not be written software. Like, share, and subscribe. Doing something else, you would doing something else. You would not be doing the thing. They're doing the thing are times in times. The times that we are in his weather, some smooth weather, some raw weather. Okay, some smooth weather, some. If you learn to ride this weather gracefully, then people say you are success. If you create a problem about very little fluctuation that happens, then you become a failure in your life. If you were a wave surfer, you know you are seeing me, people suffering on the waves. This video is sponsored Dwarikadis Electric and Power Tools, Ward 14 Fatehnagar. All type of lighting, geyser, heater, self-service and spare. What is his dream? He would like to have the snow, and the dream in a surface mind is a Nami 100-foot tall wave riding it. That would do be dream it. You know how to ride it, even the subconscious. How often do you test your memory power? How often do you test your memory power? Let's see. And Guru explain how success is not confined to education alone. We are mistaking information for intelligence. Once you hit yourself with too much information, no, attention is a serious problem. Once you have to attention, once you have no ability to hold your attention, you have lost your ability to assess your intelligence. Also, you will just tune out the information from in the yogic system. They are for may accept of the mind. It not go into a detail, but the memory part of the mind is least important. It's a chitta, which the connected with the consciousness with the most important. If find a safe you are chitta, that safe will manifest always because it's embraced by life making metal with you, which for lack of word we are using the word consciousness, that which is the basic of life. Once your mind is yokes to that, then what shape your mind taken? Mind is like shape. You can make a Gadalika, you divide, you can make, and whenever out to it, you know it's a was always manifest in the world because it's empowered by life-making energy behind it. So that is the most important aspect of the mind, not be memory. There is beautiful inside your heart of Andrew Carnegie. When Andrew Carnegie short span of time the become much many. It with that like okay, this is not the age of Google or Facebook or Twitter where it too yearly that become multi-billionaire and all those how these people and set up manufacture the make which would take decide the generation. It guy made a judge of money in a short span of time. People suspected the US government suspected has doing some militaries to set a snatch invasion commit. So they questioned him and where possible they found nothing wrong with business. They asked and manage of the show. Like, subscribe and share. This video is sponsored ETYT News, आपका अपना चैनल Money and the so successful Android. Simple see, I can keep my mind focused on something for 5 minutes at a strange 5 minutes. Can any you do it? All the senators they thought what the problem 5 minutes are set up. Example, they tried to their attention, they couldn't keep it for few seconds. One moment hero, one moment they this fate of most human being. So then we said you should not be running United States. All of this must have competed for something or the other according to Sadhguru. Here is something we should never compete for. Life is not a competition. Life is not a race. Life is a race. You must get to the finish line soon.
द्वारिकाधीश इलेक्ट्रिक एंड पावर टूल्स, फतेहनगर, वार्ड 14। सभी प्रकार के खराटा, फैन, कूलर, स्पेयर, आईसीयू, ओरिएंट, पंखे, सिगड़ी, सभी प्रकार की कूलर मोटरें के होलसेल विक्रेता पावर टूल्स। सब्सक्राइब भी आपने किया है लेकिन आप लाइक और कमेंट में कंजूसी करते हैं। लाइक करें, कमेंट करें, आपका अपना चैनल ETY।
हाँ जल्दी करो।